What's up, guys? Gary, T-Shirt Help Desk, and I'm gonna show you guys a way to start a super T-shirt company, super easy with super DTF. Let's go.
T-Shirt Help Desk.
So the first thing you're gonna need is your artwork. There's tons of places to get artwork, Canva, Kittle, right? But when you do your artwork, remember, you can do a big gang sheet, which means you can have something as large as 22 inches, or you can do a whole bunch of different placements. You can have a sleeve, you can have your back neck label, you can have a locker label, your front, back, everything. Let me show you. All right, so what I did was I went into Kittle, and I went right into the templates, and I went to streetwear, and I looked around to see what piqued my interest, and first thing I saw was this one. So let's click on that, and this is the great thing about Kittle is that as cool as this looks, everything in here is editable. So I just went in, and this says diversity, so I went in and I changed it to flowers, right? So, and you can see some wording that we have. And the basis of this is that, you know, we give flowers to the dead. And there's a saying, give people their flowers while they're alive. So went right here and I wrote, celebrate the living, and stretched it out, made it a little bit smaller. And another great thing with Kittle is you can go in and you can custom. So I just changed these edges to curve with the artwork. Celebrate the living. And on the bottom, give them their flowers. And then I went in and I released this texture. Actually, I deleted the background texture. So once that was done, I went in and I exported as a ping, and that's Done Deal Records. So the next one that I did, I went through and I found something else, because this whole, you know, good and evil kind of religious stuff is popping right now, and you gotta be trendy. So I did this one, and this one says Holy Child, and people love money. So I just changed the child to, and people love the term hustle. And I went in and I copied it over and over again. And let's go to that project. All right, and that's what it looks all done. And I simply took the background, zeroed it out. I exported this one as an SVG and a ping. And that's a Done Deal Records. So you upload your artwork, and in 3 business days, boom, you got yourself some transfers, just like that. To make clothing, you need blanks. We ordered some blanks from Lane 7, and here they go. So let's open them up, and we got some sweatshirts and matching pants, hoodie. Oh, soft. And guys, these are nice, heavyweight. This is exactly what's going on in the industry right now. This is what people want. So if you want something, you don't, just a no-brainer, you don't have to think about it, go with Lane 7, all right? So we have our transfer, right? And let's take this bad boy out. And this is the great thing about Super DTF is right on one sheet, we have our locker label and our back neck label, right? So let's get our skizzer and let's cut like butter. And let's cut that. So on one transfer, we have our main graphic, back neck graphic, and a locker label. So you have all this stuff, but what are you gonna put it on? Woo! Here we go. We got ourselves a shirt, and we're gonna give this a quick pre-press. So we're gonna take that out, and first thing that we're gonna do, we're gonna put our artwork right about here. And people like to do that 4-finger. Everyone's finger's different. I don't really like that. So I'm gonna do it by eye, only because I've been doing this so long. That looks good already. Whew. Peel with confidence. Oh, that is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. All right. So now we're gonna do the back neck, right? So this is lane 7. We have a rip away. Pow! So sometimes when you're doing stuff like this, you need a pressing pad, right? And you need your pressure to be lighter. So we're just gonna take this pressing pad, gonna put that right on top right there. This looks fire. Let's rock out of it. Perfecto. Now, we got one more to do, and we're gonna use that same pressing pad, and we're gonna go right here. Rock out. Pew. Drop dead gorgeous. Boom, boom, boom. All right, so now we're gonna do something else. We are going to do this Holy Hustle. Now this one, we didn't put the other labels like we did this one, but it's no problem. When you have your artwork, you can have the labels at the bottom. So I have some right here, already ready to go. I just need a shirt. Woo! And we're gonna take this one, and we're gonna give it a nice little pre-press. Smooth surface. Well, here we go. Peel with confidence. Look at that. That's awesome. And look at those bright whites. All right, so now we're gonna add our back neck. Put that in the back. And we're gonna need our pressing pad. That's just beautiful and bright white. So last thing we're gonna do is just to give it a little extra flavor, I'm gonna add a locker label. Super color t-shirt help desk. Hot 15. Ready to go in the store. So you got everything is looking good, everything's ready to go, but you want to sell your stuff. You can put your stuff on your social media, you can put it on TikTok, you can put it on your IG, you can have your own website like a Shopify, but make sure you put your stuff out there and you sell. So anyway, guys, that is the easy, super easy way to start a t-shirt business. That's all I got for you today. I'm gonna put some butter on my shoes and slide on out the door. Go to Supercolor, check out Super DTF, and I'm gonna see you on the other side. Peace.
T-shirt help desk.